got 2 words for you.
Storage. Auction.
Pirate. True grit, grind, and hustle of the storage auction business where scared money don't make money and eBay is king. Living life, one storage unit at a time. Down here at this...
Keanu's like, you're gonna like me. You're going to like me, Ginger. I will nah. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
24/7, 365. Money stays on my mind. Bought this one yesterday, so the first unit of the day. What was the most intriguing factor to me? I just liked that the microfiber couch looked fairly clean. Legit, that's what turned me on to this unit. Other than that, I don't know. Just another unit, paid $900, 10 by 20, Walnut Creek. First score right there, I need laundry detergent, and that's my laundry detergent. In the basement here at this public storage in Walnut Creek, and as a mover, this is the type of stuff you want to bring when you're moving down an elevator. Four-wheelers, several of those. We call these speed packs. You shove them full of stuff, makes it easier to take lots of things. Garbage cans, because, well, this is going to be some trash here. Got some plastic totes. And we got our table ready for sorting, routine / unboxing videos. First box out isn't sealed. We'll take a gander at what's in there because we got some food. Alright, that's where we're at. Seem to be locked. We got 2 of them, 3 of them. I love trunks. Plastic totes, boxes.
You can stick on the wall. Great. And you don't have to put all of it in.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a gun in there.
A gun? Yeah, that'd be nice. I was asked if there's a cat scratcher in there to sell it to somebody. I thought that was kind of peculiar. Ooh. Can use that.
Yeah.
More units to buy.
Do you have a timer?
Huh?
Is that a timer?
Where? No.
I need a timer for my espresso machine.
There's all sorts of useless tools.
Nice.
Those are about useless, but still cool. Centavos. Japanese government. You want it anymore? Here a little bit.
Look at. I'd never even seen Psych Books before. The movie,
Oh,
the
yeah.
series. They're usually on DVD.
Everyday blankets, number bed, furniture, boxes, printer paper. All right, this box here seems to be sealed. Actually found 1 box sealed so far. Porcelain music figures, Sir Francis carving, Dottie's clay artwork, that sucks. Children's crap. Excessively wrapped up, so that's annoying. What do we got here? Sir Francis of Assisi, wood carving with broken hands. Go figure. It's not even. It's like Saint Francis of Assisi with a Snapchat filter. I got a wood pelican, numbered 0067PL. Wonderful. Some swans. That's party light candle holder with a moose. Well, this box was supposed to be intriguing and it didn't turn out well. We tried. That's totally cheesy. Bags of rocks. This plate. If anybody has that car, we can sell this to you. This box housed this BS here. The Snapchat filter of St. Francis of Theses. See what I mean? Wood pelican. This bubble wrap. Cheesy swan statue. And bullcrap broken glass containers. Meaning they hold broken pieces of glass. If I'm gonna what? She had no chlamydia, we just found out. No chlamydia.
Here's your medical
it's
records
literally a
from
jewelry
2
box.
years ago, 2015.
Negative for chlamydia and gonorrhea. At some point that was an issue though. This is an unbagging. Ooh, we got Kodak film.
Okay.
Nothing in there. You know what I want is a Leica camera. I haven't had a good Leica in a while. What's this right here? Field Book of Nature Photography. Come on, Leica. Come on, Leica camera. Nikon. Nikon MF2. I'm not seeing a camera in here. So that means that somewhere is a camera bag.
Those are all the accessories. The lens, caps, filters.
Lord, where is the camera? I'm heartbroken now.
It's got to be there because the manuals are with her yearbooks. There's like 2 different types of cameras.
Yeah, that's a good sign though, because the Nikon's a good camera.
And a low pro's a really good case.
Kitchen, spices, rack, etc. Nothing. Swiss gear. Another bag. What do we got? Clothes. Clothes. All I feel is clothes.
Oh, the answers I had for that lady.
She bugs me.
Tell her to come and get her pictures.
That lady bugs the shit out of me.
Something in it. Why you toss it?
I was just wanted to see what else is in here.
Silver fork.
Yeah, I figured that much already.
I'm trying to. Pull it out.
It's like the week of Sterling this week. We got another set here. Looks like service for possibly 5. Towley. Right there in the back. Just made this unit worthwhile to me. Another service for 5. That's not bad. But this stuff here has a luministic value or whatever you want to call it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Service for 5. I'm liking this. 5 butter knives.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Those are nice.
All the same pattern, and they're not, what are they? Rambler Rose. Yeah. Have to look that up.
Soup spoons. Those are nice.
It doesn't have a lot of scrap value, but I can bet you money that these are like 125, 150 for a serving set of 5. This unit's getting there.
Don't come and get it.
Back at this unit again. Yep. Nice. Nice. This box might actually make some money. This one needs to go in the back, and just emptied in the truck.
Where is it?
The bobbleheads. Here's the whole unit spread out. I want it all. Just toss it to me. Totally don't want none of these because I put mushrooms in them.
Dude, I'll
just
eat
like
it.
the manicotti, there's mushrooms, so you can't eat them.
Oh, there's mushrooms in
There's
there.
mushroom sprinkles.
Let me see if I can eat it.
It's in the, it's a special ingredient. See, mushrooms.
Ew. Gross. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen,
What is
Sideshow Bob is stealing my chocolate chip cookies.
Oh, savage.
Did you just do a savage and an almost dab? What was that?
I gotta grab that.
Do a dance. No, do a dance. Like a real dance.
Boom.
Do the foxtrot.
I don't know if it is.
Pretend you're doing a slow dance. That's not a slow dance, that's a sprinkler. Do a slow dance. Slow dance. Air slow dance with somebody.
Okay.
Leslie's cheating on you, see that?